Next up, we are talking about the project information section of the building information tab. So this is project specific information. You can enter it in here. This will be displayed on the results page. For weather data, select your province and municipality. If you can't find the city here, you should choose the closest geographical city and then just look at the weather data and make sure that it's appropriate. If you'd like to customize any weather data, you can just check this box here. Any field that you type in will override what is above. So if I leave everything blank, nothing's going to change. If I type in minus 25 for heating, it's going to override this minus 23 field here. Here in BC, we know that the weather data can be a little bit more extreme than these CSA defaults. So it's up to you to not only choose the weather data that you think is appropriate, but most importantly, this should be communicated to your client and actually like selected together so that everyone's on the same page about what's going into the report. For example, if we choose Vancouver, we had a heat dome in Vancouver a few years ago, and we know the temperatures got as high as 39 degrees Celsius, and yet the worst case scenario in the weather data says 28 Celsius. Given that our internal temperature is recommended to be 24, which would be a 4 degree Celsius temperature difference, compared to 24 to 39, which is a 15 degree temperature, 15 degrees Celsius temperature difference, that's an enormous gap in the cooling demand that might happen in the really warm days. So just know that this is the weather data that's going into the report. You can customize it if you wish and make sure to communicate this to your client.